Hello, in this video I'm going to guide you how to create interacting script for MKT Tikpro. First you're gonna choose the interacting script and you add a new script. From now you need to put a new name for the script. There will be few functions for you to interact first, but you can show with a scroll through like how many videos, and you can set up the time for each video. For example, I'm going to set up like 3 to 5 videos, and each video I will watch around maybe like 15 to 20 seconds. On the other hand, you can comment to that videos and you can put the comments in here. With the configuration is like the format of the comments gonna be like the comment 1 and then the comment 2 and then the comment 3. You can save when you finish putting the comments. And you will have like interact with following accounts or interact with friends or like live stream, or you can get all the information of the accounts. You can change even like the language of the account. But remember, if you choose like many like function, you should choose like do not interact duplicate action. After you save that, you can click on the circle black and it will show the name here. You click on that and choose the category. You save all the accounts. From now you can click start, and the thread is the same like how many thread you can run at your computer. You can set up the thread. If you want to check how many threads your computer can run, please check in the description. I will leave a video there. If you have any question, please text me in Telegram or WhatsApp. I will guide you. Thank you and see you in next video.